guys been diving into the chords for Jonas Hellborg. Well, the chord book by Jonas Hellborg. Excuse me. But I was always asked to learn the chord spellings, to learn the chords. Most of my learning was done out of jazz books. I wasn't taught by a bass teacher. So, but I walked a lot of bass lines. But man, imagine now, like, you could take these chords that, you know, that you were having to play the shape, you know, put the ring around it. And now you know, being able to take it and to explore it and to actually play it in like a piano-like form on a bass. There's something about a bass. There's something about the upper ranges. Like this, listen. Here. These chords, listen. Obviously, it's easier to reach them on the upper. And but I mean, you know, you can do them down here too. You know, you got a lot of odd stuff. You know, and you got your. These are diminished, augmented nines and you know, Hendrix chord. 7 augmented 9. You know, remember 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's just so much play that you can do with chords on a bass, you know, and one of the most important things is tone, is having a good tone to do it. When I heard Jonas doing it, he was doing it on wah basses, and later on whatever he was using in between, and then his Warwick signature basses. But excuse me, I think he's actually going. I've seen the videos of him playing wah basses again, so I don't know. But try to take these chords and you know, and like, you know, learn them and be able to incorporate them into your bass lines, you know, incorporate into your, you know, into your playing and stuff. A guy who does stuff like that is Hadrian Farad, whatever his name is, how you say it. But so that's one of my tips for the day. All right, learn your chords and the spellings. Learn what they mean.